You could keep going here. I mean, there's 86 acres. 82 acres, 86 acres. What's an acre or two amongst friends? Believe me, after everything, you're going to feel it. There you go. 14 by 7s, 125 for the set of 4 with center caps. That's pretty damn good. You know, good luck at getting your old stuff because, hey, if you've gotten old, you know it can get pretty tough to get a hold of any of these parts. Pontiac 8- with the clock and everything. 57 Ford, looks like a 57, might be 56. It's not padded. And there's another Ford Crestline. Love it. Hard workers bringing out all more treasures as people keep buying more and more stuff and you keep missing it. They got to keep replenishing. Oh my gosh. This is Wednesday, by the way, so this way you get an idea of what goes on. Officially the first day, but people were here Tuesday. If you saw the sneak preview, you would get it. Oh, look at that quarter, 180 for that quarter. That's not bad shape. You do have a little bit of cancer over there, but hey, we can get away. For 180, that's pretty damn good for a 2-door. 53 Caddy. Partial Conti kit. I don't see a price on it. What are you asking on the partial Conti kit?
On that, I think it's a that's a 58, I think.
53.
53
Yeah.
on the whole set.
What are you asking for it?
I'll ask you in just a second.
Take your time. I'm gonna poke around anyhow.
Okay.
Of course, Tri 5 stuff up the yin yang. Hoods, trim, seats. Oh,
See? No.
the Conti kit.
Yeah, Continental kit.
Make up a good price.
You mean those
Yeah.
pieces there?
Yeah.
Just for that?
Yeah. Make up a good price. Don't worry.
The whole, all that pieces there, and those 2 metal pieces go with it too.
Okay.
Over here.
Yeah. The filler bumper. The bumper fillers.
Fillers.
Yeah.
$40 for all of them.
Oh, jeez. That is fantastic.
These go with it.
That's great.
That's perfect.
Yep.
That goes with it.
Jeez. I'm trying to convince people that they've got to get down here. Get off the computer. And by the way, this will be on the computer.
Oh.
Get off the computer and get you us down here because this is the cool stuff that you want to buy. I mean, 53 Caddy, nice. But,
Yeah.
I mean, just picture it on a nice hot rod.
Oh yeah.
You can't get it.
You can always modify it. Yeah.
Of course. I mean, it's great stuff.
It's also just the ring in itself is a good wall hanger.
Oh, there we go.
Absolutely. I mean, it's crazy. That's the fun stuff about it.
Oh, that's it. The only thing is you need enough garage space, so you have to keep building more and more garage space, which I don't know. Maybe we should do.
No, then you just hang it in your kitchen.
Oh, I like that. That I like.
We've already got 5 doors.
Perfect.
5 doors garage.
Oh, 5 doors garage, yeah. Thank you. I like this 58. It's got some really wild rot on it. Look at that previous repair. And then it starts growing stuff. Oh, this is great. All right, runs, drives, and stops. 283. All right, that is neat. Asking, okay? Asking. Now this is cool. $3,800. I mean, even if it's a parts car, this damn thing is great. But can you imagine this thing just fix it up for a cruiser? If this car was a horse, I'd have to shoot it. Oh my God. I don't know about you, but I'm having an absolute unmitigated ball here. As usual. That's McGrone 55, 56, 57 Chevy parts. Tuesday afternoon field find and no one's around, so I can have some fun on the 66 convertible. This is very interesting. I'm going to just read you what the seller has said. Runs very nice, factory color ember glow, matching pony interior, which is really pretty cool. Very nice white convertible top. Okay. Doesn't quite fit well, but it's like interesting. And that's it. What's under the hood? We don't know. I cannot see the lugs to tell you if it's a V8 or a 4-cylinder because it's got the caps on it. I can't tell you if it's a 3-speed or a 4-speed. It's a manual. But what I can tell you, and since no one's here, I can chew this car to bits. Let's go have some fun, shall we? All right. Look at that fit and finish. Or fit. Throwing fits for a finish. This is what bothers me the most. People put obviously a lot of time and money into this effort, but look at that gapping. It's terrible, absolutely terrible. It goes right on through, and this car deserves more. The fit of that convertible top is terrible. Again, look at the doors. You can even see right over there where it does knock. It's like, come on, look at that gap. I mean, this car has been through a bit. Now, it's a convertible, so of course it's going to have some problems, but it left the rust over there. Come on, guys. Now, it's a 50-50 restoration, if you shall. Look at those lines on the trunk. It really bothers me when I see cars like this done, and it's literally lipstick on a pig that they pull off a lot of this stuff. Just want to show you the interior. The interior looks nicely original, which I like, and it does have a boot. Of course, what are they asking? $21,000. They're up there a bit. I mean, for 21 grand, I would want something reasonably restored. And if you're putting this much effort into restoring the car, do it right, folks. Come on.